Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. I will show you how to implement a function that invokes other functions. A Python function can execute any code including invoking functions. Let's first take a look at our previous solution. We have two parts. In the first part, the problem is presented, is this part. We have first printing the text of the problem, then printing the variable, then printing the formula. The last two lines are the solution. I will create a function that executes the code for the first part, and this function will call the existing print variable functions and display problem function from file functions. So I will say define present problem. This is the name of my function. The first parameter is the file name, the second one is the variables, and the last one is the formula. Okay, so add colon, and then I will add the code. The code is this one. So I will delete these two lines and I will add them here. First, I am calling display problem from file to display that file name. Then I am calling for each variables in the variables tuple the print variable functions, and the last line, last two lines, I will say print formula, and I will print an empty line. Okay, so now I have to create a formula variable. So I will have formula, it's equal to string. Okay, and now I'm just calling my function present problem. First one is the file name, problem.txt. The second one is the variables, and the last one is the formula that is defined above. Okay, so I will save the file and execute it. I'm expecting the same result like in the previous solution, but this time the first part will be implemented in one function. Okay, as expected, I have the same result. Well, I have here an empty line. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are being uploaded.